Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a domain name here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the domain name in your BigCommerce store is a simple process that can have several benefits depending on your goals. Right? For example, if your business is undergoing a rebrand with a new name, look, or market focus, updating your domain to reflect the new brand identity creates a cohesive customer experience and reinforces brand recognition. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the account settings. In this case, I want you to click on the store details. If you do that, you would be forwarded here. Just log in using your credentials. This is for necessary steps to ensure that you are the one accessing the account. Now in here, as you can see, the current domain is gplafs.mybigcommerce.com. And if you want to have a specific domain name that you wanted, all right, all I'm going to do is you see this pencil icon, just click on it. What would happen is you would be asked to choose a domain name that you would like to use. All right. For example, I'm going to be using this one and click the check availability. All right. How about we put in something like this one? All right. So gplafs channel is available. Now click that and click on change. All right. It's very easy. As you can see, the subdomain was successfully updated. All right. But the thing is, if in case you encounter any problems changing your domain name here in BigCommerce, I highly suggest you contact the BigCommerce technical support. All right. This is going to be the help center. As you can see, you would be forwarded to the 24/7 support team. Okay, click on the get support. And once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you're having problems changing your name here in BigCommerce or changing the domain name here in BigCommerce. There's also going to be a small chat bot where you can type in your questions, and one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix your problem changing your domain name here in BigCommerce. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.